Hi, my name is Samir Malik. I'm a tutor for middle school and high school students in the Austin, Texas area, and today I'm going to be describing how to solve linear systems. Now, with linear systems, basically what you need to have is a graph with both x and y coordinates, and you have the point for which includes both x and y variables. When you have that point, you would solve for the x and you would solve for the y at the same time. You would create a table and then you would graph accordingly to solve for that particular linear system. So I'd like to go ahead and illustrate this by showing you an example of a point and then going ahead and just graphing it for you as well. So we have the equation y equals 3x minus 5. We go ahead and draw our table first with our x-axis and y-axis, where x can be 0, y is negative 5, x is 1, y is negative 2, x is 2, and y is 1. And then we go ahead and graph it on our coordinate graph, which we have x is 0, y is negative 5, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. And we have x is 1, and y is negative 2. So, I'm sorry, x is 0, y is negative 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5, so this would be the point for 0, negative 5. Then we have 1, negative 2, so 1 and negative 2 would be the next point, which is 1, negative 2. And the third point would be 2, 1, which is 2, and then 1 here. 2 for the x value, 1 for the y value. And we can go ahead and see here that we have this line here which we've created. And this is basically how we solve the linear system, because we have the equation y equals 3x minus 5. We draw our table with x and y values, and then we go ahead and put this on a coordinate plane to illustrate how this linear system is solved. So to summarize, to solve the linear systems, we basically have to have the equation, then we draw our table, and then we graph accordingly, and that will help us visualize to see how the linear system actually works.